Now this is a very tough time because I had two RO1 from 2022 and 2021. So one of the RO1s has finished this December 31st, 2025. And the other one will be a no-cost extension till 2026. So recently, it's a really tough funding situation. I applied for two other grants as RO1 from NIH, and those grants will be reviewed in April, end of April and middle of April. So depending on the response, um, I will know what is going to happen. But in the meantime, since I had this problem, like I had so many postdoc, but I could not keep all of them because of the lack of funding. So I applied for the Ash Bridge grant again this year and just submitted the application last Tuesday. And I'm trying to apply for anything like I'm going to try to apply for the VA veterans in June or July. And the same time, any internal grant that is coming out, I'm applying for that too. Because my research is in a very nice situation right now. We have published two very crucial manuscripts. One in Journal of Clinical Investigation, another is Journal of Thrombosis Hemostasis. So basically the work is very exciting. I need more manpower in the lab to carry on these different projects, and for that I need funding. So yes, I'm a little bit stressed right now, but I'm doing my best as I can. Actually, recently there was a new grant that has come to our attention, that is from the cancer center here. They are giving some preliminary study. For preliminary study, they're giving some money like $100,000 so that the clinical research should continue. And there are other small avenues in the university. Like there is a REF program where people get like $50,000 to carry on some preliminary studies. So these things are there, but the problem is, since I had RO1s, I never got this funding because they thought that I am a funded investigator, so I don't deserve those kind of grants. But now, since my grants one is ended and the other one is going to end soon, so now I am applying again to this funding so that my research won't stop. It's kind of a very tricky situation in NIH for the research, overall research funding, be it clinical, be it basic science, because we don't know what is going to happen. Because before it was like certain percentile the grants will be funded, but things have changed a lot. So everybody is facing this kind of problem right now. They don't know what is going to happen, so they are trying to utilize other avenues like the DOD or veterans to get some funding, because clinical research is very important. Like my research also is going towards the clinical direction, because ultimately we need to have this available for the human population. For that, my studies and any other patient sample studies we need to do, and everything demands money. So I don't know what will happen to NIH and the tricky situation there. Hopefully the things will be much clearer in near future.